Akiaria kigomano-ini kia mbeũ njithi kuma kaunti ya Machakos, Mutua ni okiririire Muthama akiuga guthii igotini gwake kurugamia mubango wa waki wa Machakos City, tabarara iria yonete aigithia a kurugamirira waki uyu ni undu wa kumenererio, guku akiuga ati ni tabarara yatanyitwo guthondeka miaka ya mawira na gukuria kaunti ya Machakos.
Wakati watu wa siasa walikuwa wananipinga, mzee mmoja anaitwa Johnston Muthama na ati anataka kuwa governor, akaenda kotini, wakaeka injunction for 5 years as the court went through, because the court case went through, because it takes forever in Kenya for cases attempts to go, to be completed. Within that time, all the investors that were brought here gave up and went to other places.
Mutua augite thirikari yake ni yonete aigithia kuma mabururi ma nanja na magekiranira ngirimiti ya mabilioni ma mbeca mwaka-ini wa 2014, no thutha wa igoti kurugamia tabarara ino, aigithia aya magithie kuigithia mabururi mangi.
I brought the man who built the Burj Al Arab, the Burj Khalifa rather, the tallest building in the world, that is in Dubai, 167 or something, 150 floors. Akaingia gari akuja Machakos. He was so impressed, akasema, just give me this portion, I will build a mall, I will build a super highway taking you from Chumvi over here, all those things. Akaenda akakutana na Uhuru Kenyatta, tukakubaliana, kesi ikakuwa hapo.
Oho ni acakaite wagi wa mawira uria ugumire bururi na njira nene, akiorota atongoria aria makoretwo makiungumia mbeca cia muingi handu ha kurutira muingi wira. Riu ni oritie president ahiuria rucamio rwake na gutigithia wira aria manyitetwo na ungumania.
And Machakos people suffered. It is called regressive politics. And that is why we are poor today. Because our leaders are so consumed with acquisition of power rather than empowering our people. We've got problems in this country that have to be solved. And the biggest problem is corruption. And I'm asking President Uhuru Kenyatta, if you really care about the youth, you need to stem this problem. Amka leo, piga watu rungu bila huruma.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Biũ wa Wambui.